Class 10, exercise number 3.18, question number 7. Let A, B, C, 3 matrices are given. Show that the Roman number 2 is A minus B into C is equal to AC minus BC. Right? Let's see the LHS side. In LHS side, we have A minus B into C. First, inside the bracket, I am going to find out what is A minus B. That is the matrix A minus the matrix B. The matrix A is given as 1, 2, 1, 3, and then matrix B is given as 4, 0, 1, 5. Now we want to subtract this. When we subtract 1 minus 4, 2 minus 0, the first row in the first column, the first element should be subtract with the first row, first column element, right? And then first row, second column element, right? First row with second column, here also the first row, second column elements you have to subtract. So 1 minus 1, 3 minus 5. And on the terms இருக்கிற நேரா இருக்கிறதுக்கு நம்ம சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். சரிங்களா? இது ரெண்டும் சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணா we get here we have minus 3, 2 minus 0 is 2, 1 minus 1 என்றது 0, 3 minus 5 என்றது minus 2. Next we want to find out A minus B into C. A minus B ஓட C multiply பண்ணனும். So A minus B into C. A minus B என்ன கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம்? minus 3, 2, 0 minus 2, and then C is 2, 0, 1, 2. Right? Now we want to multiply the terms. First row with first column. Right? First row with first column. Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. 2 into 1 is 2. First row with second column. Minus 3 into 0 is 0. 2 into 2 is 4. Right? And then second row, first column, 0 into 2 is 0. Plus into minus, here we have minus symbol. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Then second row, second column, 0 into 0 is 0. Here we have minus, here we have plus. Minus into plus is minus. 2 2s are 4. Then the value is equal to minus 4, 4, minus 2, minus 4. Let me take it as equation number 1. That is LHS side. Next we see the RHS side. In RHS we have to find out AC minus BC. First we can find the AC. This is the matrix of AC. We want to multiply this. The first row with first column. 7 step form multiply பண்றோம். 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. First row, second column. 1 into 0 is 0. Plus 2 2s are 4. Next step, second row with first column. 1 into 2 is 2. Plus 3 into 1 is 3. Second row with second column. 1 into 0 is 0. Plus 3 into 2 is 6. Then 2 plus 2 4, 0 plus 4 is 4, 2 plus 3 is 5, 0 plus 6 is 6. Now we want to find out BC. So the matrix B into the matrix C. The matrix C is 2 0 1 2. The matrix B is 4 0 1 5. Again we want to multiply the same step. First row with first column. 4 2s are 8. 0 into 1 is 0. First row with second column. 4 into 0 is 0. 0 into 2 is 0. And then second row with first column. 1 into 2 is 2. Plus 5 into 1 is 5. Second row with second column. 1 into 0 is 0. 2 into 5 is 10. Then the value is equal to 8, 0, 2 plus 5 is 7, and then 10. Now we want to find out AC minus BC. Here A matrix minus of B matrix. AC is equal to 4, 4, 5, 6, and then BC is equal to 8, 0, 7, 10. So 4, 4, 5, 6, 8, 0, 7, 10. Now we want to subtract these two terms. When we subtract 4 minus 8, 4 minus 0, 5 minus 7 அந்த டேர்முக்கு நேராக இருக்கிறத சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். சரிங்களா? 6 minus 10. When you subtract this, we get the value of 4 minus 8 is minus 4, 4 minus 0 is 4, 5 minus 7 is minus 2, 6 minus 10 is minus 4. This is equation number 2. Now minus 4, 4 minus 2, minus 4 is the second equation. Let's see the first equation. Here the first equation also the same, minus 4, 4, minus 2, minus 4. By equation 1 and 2, A minus B into C is equal to AC minus BC. Hence proved. Thank you students. Hi students, class 10, exercise number 3.18, question number 7. Let A, B, C, 3 matrices are given. Show that the third Roman number A minus B whole power transpose, A minus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. First we want to take I take LHS set to find out the terms. In LHS set, first we want to find out inside the bracket, that is A minus B. A matrix minus of B matrix. Here A matrix is 1, 2, 1, 3. B matrix is 4, 0, 1, 5. Subtraction means the first element with first element, second element with the second element, first row first column minus first row first column in the second matrix, and the form. So 1 minus 4, 2 minus 0, 1 minus 1, 3 minus 5 is equal to, here we have minus 3, 2 minus 0 is 2, 1 minus 1 is 0, 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Next we want to find out the transpose of this matrix A minus B whole transpose. A minus B whole transpose means find out that A minus B, the row should be converted into a column. This row should be converted into minus 3, 2. Minus 3, 2 should be converted into column, and the second row should be converted into column 0, minus 2. I take equation number 1, this is the LHS set. Next we want to find out A transpose minus B transpose, right? First we want to find out what is A transpose. A matrix is 1, 2, 1, 3, and then B matrix is 4, 0, 1, 5. We want to find out that A transpose means the row should be converted into a column. In the row column convert பண்றோம், and then second row should be converted into a column. This is A transpose. Then B transpose means the first row should be converted into first column, and then second row should be converted into a second column, right? This is now A transpose, B transpose. Now we want to find out A transpose minus B transpose. So A transpose minus B transpose is equal to, here A transpose value is 1, 1, 2, 3, and then minus B transpose matrix is 4, 1, 0, 5. Now we want to subtract these two terms. 1 minus 4, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 0, 3 minus 5. This term is equal to, when we 1 minus 4 means minus 3, minus 1 minus 1 means 0, 2 minus 0 is 2, 3 minus 5 is minus 2. I take equation number 2. This is RHS side. Now compare the equation number 1. Here minus 3, 0, right? 2, minus 2. Minus 3, 0, 2, minus 2. Here also we have minus 3, 0, 2, minus 2. Here 2 minus 0 is 2. Right? Both equations are equal. Hence A minus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Hence proved. Thank you students.